This week on The Produce Nerd, we're going to take you behind the scenes of an endive growing, harvesting, and packing operation. The endive roots are grown in 3 separate locations throughout California and Oregon and are then brought to the facility. They are initially removed from the truck, go through a brush step to remove any excess soil and field debris, and are sorted based on size. The filled bins are then placed into a 28-degree Fahrenheit freezer that allows the roots to stay dormant until the operation is ready to grow the endive. Not only does it allow for the roots to get additional chill hours in the freezer, but it also allows for the operation to grow endive 52 weeks per year. When the roots are ready to be grown, the bins are taken to be transferred onto growing trays. When they are placed onto the growing trays, they are made to be uniform in length and have separators included to allow space for the plants to grow, as well as for the pipes for the hydroponic growing system. As you can see in the background, the growing trays are sanitized between each use. After being placed onto the growing trays, they are brought into growing rooms that are completely dark and kept at 57 degrees Fahrenheit under high humidity. Endive is grown in dark rooms so that they stay light in color. The 2 varieties of endive that are grown here are white and red varieties. However, if the white varieties are grown in light, the end result would be green in color. The dark rooms prevent this from happening. To see the progression of how the endive plants grow from the roots, you can see the plants that were just planted 1 day earlier, 5 days earlier, 17 days earlier. Here you have both a white and red variety example, and plants that are ready for harvest. Endive takes approximately 21 days to grow, and once they are ready to be harvested, they are taken to a pre-cooling room overnight prior to harvest. The growing trays are then wheeled into the packing area where the endive is harvested and placed onto the packing line. Each of the workers that are packing the product trim the bottom portion of the endive and remove the outer leaves to improve the appearance. They are also sorting the endive into different boxes based on the size of the product. In this first example, the endive is being packed into bulk boxes, and wax sheets are placed in between the rows of endive to prevent any rubbing. Once these boxes have been filled, they go through a quality control step and are sealed and palletized. Another packing method that is used is to create retail packs. In this case, the endive are packed onto trays with a mix of color and are sealed, boxed, and palletized. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to theproducenerd.com, where a new blog will be posted every Tuesday.